I'd rate RepairDesk 5 out of 5 at this point. Their customer service and support is amazing. You have a problem with them, they will be on point. Hi everybody, my name is Miguel Brito. I'm owner of Spa City iRepair here in Hot Springs, Arkansas. We've been in business for roughly about 12 years now. Out of those 12 years, we've been using, for the most part, RepairShopr. Used to be a good software, then again it just fell to the ground with no support of any kind, no development of any kind, and we have gave RepairDesk a try. This software is amazing. We have integrated our phone service. We have integrated Facebook messaging, text messaging, all in one system. The beauty about this is that you don't longer have to go anywhere else. You know, everything that we do here, from the moment that a customer comes in to the moment that they come and cash out, everything with one system. I'd rate RepairDesk 5 out of 5 at this point. Their customer service and support is amazing. You have a problem with them, they will be on point. The best software that we have used thus far that actually caters to this industry. You know, we actually do cell phone, computer, tablet repair. We do networking, design, deployment, maintenance, and all of that we can do with this software. There's absolutely nothing else better out there than RepairDesk, in my opinion. So if you need to actually try something different, or you are struggling with pen and paper to actually make a ticket for your customers, you need to give RepairDesk a try.